In our next step, we're going to use our 3M 8067 tape, and we're going to flash, essentially just flash our trim ring right to the Tyvek. We want to do our best to keep the wrinkles out of it, obviously. And that's the nice thing about it, is it does flex. And we can fold it in. What I've got here is 2-inch tape because it's what we have in the shop. Out in the field, I expect you guys will probably be working with 4-inch tape. That's good because the 4-inch tape will give you a lot more bond because you'll have about 2 inches on the Tyvek and 2 inches on the wood. And just like any other window flashing, we'll flash our sides first, then we go across with our head flashing. That's what we're seeing here. You know, I can feel this tape stretching just me holding it, which is good. Give it a little stretch. If I have to re-adhere it, I can. That. Fold it in. And this right here, this upper bond is our critical bond. We're trying to make this flashing process as quick and easy as we can for you guys. And so this was our solution. If you have any thoughts on how to simplify it, by all means hit us up. But we felt that this here would go pretty quick. This 3M 8067, it's pressure sensitive, so J-roller it. That'll increase your bond strength and ensure that everything stays stuck in the long term. We won't be able to peel this off without destroying the Tyvek or potentially peeling up some of the plywood. We're not putting any flashing tape on the bottom. That way, if anything ever does get behind here, we do have a way for it to drain out. Our next step at this point is going to be to install a sample piece of metal and talk about the duct hood.